Hello guys, today we will talk about how US health insurance works. Healthcare in the United States can be very expensive. A single doctor's office visit may cost several $100s, and an average 3-day hospital stay can run tens of thousands of dollars or even more, depending on the type of care provided. Most of us could not afford to pay such large sums if we get sick, especially since we don't know when we might become ill or injured, or how much care we might need. Health insurance offers a way to reduce such costs to more reasonable amounts. The way it typically works is that the consumer pays upfront premium to a health insurance company, and that payment allow you to share risk with lots of other people enrollees who are making similar payments. Since most people are healthy most of the time, the premium dollar paid to the insurance injured. Insurance companies, as you can imagine, have studied risk extensively, and their goal is to collect enough from premium to cover medical costs of the enrollees. There are many different types of health insurance plans in the US and many different rules and arrangements regarding care. Where can uh, where can where can I receive care? On way to the health insurance plans control their cost is to influence access to providers. Providers include physicians, hospitals, laboratories, pharmacies, and other entities. Many insurance companies contract with a specified network of providers that has agreed to supply services plan enrollees at more favorable pricing. If a provider is not in a plan network, the insurance company may not to pay for services provided or may pay a smaller portion than it would for in network care. This means the enrollee who goes outside the network for care may be required to pay a much higher share of the cost. This is an important concept to understand, especially if you are not originally from the local Stanford area.